Hi guys, I hope you're doing great. And today is another day, another design with Canva. And the reference for today's design is this. So if you see it closely, it has a spotlight effect. Spotlight effect. So how to create this? You can be easily trapped by just creating a white background, but it has more than white background. So let's create this. How to do is this is an example of an image that I've taken. And first thing first, I'll create an image. I'll give you some context. I am first creating the image that is outside, a darker version of this image. So if I create a darker version of this image, there are many ways you can edit and also create it. But in my case, in this case, what I'm doing is because I need the end to be a little darker and the upward to be a little darker, I will search for shadow, black shadow, and I'll take a shadow. This is what I want, which has larger coverage area. Either this or this is, yeah, this has a larger coverage area. We will increase the size to increase a little more. Correct. I want it a little more darker, so I'll duplicate this and I've placed two shadow here. I'll duplicate this shadow and I'll put it up. I'll flip it and the shadow is here. And I also want shadow from the left. It depends if you want it or not. I think I need it. I will create it towards the left. I'll place it here. This is what I'll do. I'll quickly download this. Share, download as PNG. So this is, and meanwhile it's getting downloaded. I'll take another slide. Really take another slide, and I'll search for something called frame. Why I'm taking this frame? Again, getting back to the context, I need this frame, this circle frame. I will go back. I'll take a frame, download it. I'll search for this. Yes. And I want a bigger area where the spotlight effect is there. This is the decent area where I can fix the spotlight. Here I want to create the spotlight effect. So what I'll do is I need the original picture. Somehow I forgot to duplicate it. So I'll go to the recent. I'll go recently used and I will take this picture. I'll put it here. And I'll put it inside the frame. Now what you have to do is we'll adjust it exactly as a full screen and the place where we want. This is a nice placement, but this seems like a decent placement. Now what I'll do is I will take that image that I had downloaded. Here, this is a variant of the same image with a little darker tone. Now I take this here. First thing first, I will place it behind. So that आप आगे करोगे तो क्या होगा? If you take it forward, no, it will get inside, which I don't want. You see, it will get inside the frame. I don't want that. First thing, I'll move this to the back and then align it exactly. Now is the time to make the exact, get the exact position. Like, well, right now it's a little distant. Got it? So now we have got that spotlight effect in which it feels like this is a spotlight area and this is the darker area, which in case it was not. So now we'll one more technique we'll learn today is we'll because it's glittery and we need to write something in context to what our image is all about or whatever your campaign is all about. We will quickly take some element related to glitter. I had already taken, so I've taken this. I'll bring it down, flip it, and I'll place it towards the end. I'll repeat this. Okay. So it gives like a glitter effect here, a darker tone here. Now we need to write something here, which is glitter is in the air. So let's go to text and write is in the air. Your font, your choice, your wish. How do you want it to be? In this case, I'll put it a little down. So to maintain the right contrast, I'll choose the text color to be white because the background is a little darker. Is in the air, and I'll increase the size to 16 or maybe 14. Is in the air is okay, but I want glitter to be written in a glittery effect. So in Canva, there are many apps that you can use. One of the new app that is recently launched and is really nice is type lettering. Although it has limited fonts right now, but every now and then they are coming up with new font varieties. So what you have to do is go to apps and search for type lettering. Here I've already searched. So this is the logo of this particular app. You will click here. Because I've already used it in आपके केस में शायद वो दिखाए कि open it. So open it and then you will see all these lovely fonts. There are more, but they keep updating. So I think this has a glittery effect. We can take this, but the catch is you cannot write the text here. Whatever text you need, you have to write it here. So the text I need is glitter. Glitter is in the air. So, okay, and I can choose the font from here itself. Let's take. You can choose from all the fonts that you want. I am looking for April Fat Face. This is good. This is also good. April Fat Face is good. Okay. And then you will see how this glitter would effect would look like. April Fat Face, I'm not liking somehow. I want a little thicker so that that glitter effect is there. It's very prominent. Glitter. And you have three options of how does the glitter look like. It will look like, you can see the changes here. There are three type of fill they have given. One is this, and one is this. I'm liking this one, so I'll add to the design. You see, you will get this effect here. So in case you are not liking this, you can make the changes here. So for this particular case, I'm not liking the font. I'll go and change the font here. Or accelerator. Let's take the same side. The changes will not reflect until you update it. Font, and I'll change this thing also. This is somewhat clear. So you will write glitter is in the air. Okay. And that's it. Your design is almost ready. Now let me take this step ahead and quickly duplicate this. And whenever you want to create the same creative that you've created, you want to turn it into a video, what you have to do is you have to switch on this duration. Okay. What you will do is you will switch on the duration. In this case, I did. And you will see each slide is allotted 5 seconds. यहाँ पे 5 seconds लिखा हुआ. Each slot is allotted 5 seconds. So what you will do is you will click, and from here you can change the timings also. How long do you want the video to be? Now again, video, if it has no motion, it does not feel like it's a video. So what now? So here in context, because our campaign or the intent or the context is around glitter, we'll go and search for a video which has that glittery effect. I've already chosen one. And if you take any background which has this kind of effect and is under 10 to 15 seconds, you can click this and you can edit this video and you can remove the background. It will hardly take less than a minute and it will remove the background. Yes, it did. What you will do is you will again position it to backward so that it do not mix up. Enlarge it a little more. Okay. And when you click on this video, you can see the duration of the video itself is 15 seconds. So the slide itself has automatically taken 15 seconds. If you want to cut down this, you can cut down it to 10 seconds and whatever the frame is. And if you see, this video is now ready. Okay. Now what you have to do is, when you want to download the video is, you go to download, select the particular page, which is page number 10. I've created the video. Select the format as MP4, not PNG or JPG or PDF or whatever. Go to MP4 and download this. And it will be where you will find this inside your downloads. You will find this. Okay. I hope this was really, really helpful. And this is how you do some great editing. I'm very hopeful that I'll receive a project or a work created on similar lines from you. Looking forward to see you again sometime soon. Thank you so much.